It's a wrap, hey, it's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. In this video, you're going to see me do some makeup for one of my friends. This was her graduation makeup look. So of course I cleansed the face, moisturized it, all of that good stuff to get it ready for the makeup application. I apply a primer and I use the Mary Kay foundation primer and Mary Kay foundation. So you guys will watch me do that. Her skin is really on the dry side, so I went in with a lot of different things to make sure that her skin was properly hydrated and moisturized. I'm using my flat top kabuki brush. I still have a few in stock. In case you guys want to grab one, make sure you check out my website. So I'm just applying this foundation on her. And this foundation, I believe, is our previous foundation formula. This is not the 3D foundation formula. So this one, the oxidation is a little bit more drastic on this version. If you love this version, we do carry it in a few shades still. So let me know if you want to grab it, or we can get you matched with our new foundation. The new 3D foundation is amazing. If you guys haven't watched the video where I tried it for you all for the first time, definitely check that out. It's so lightweight, but you get a nice coverage. Now I am highlighting her. And I'm just going, down the center of the face, under the eyes. You know, those areas that we want to pop, and I'm going to blend it out with that same kabuki brush. My hair, this is that wig that I told y'all was one of my favorite wigs, and it's all in the way. So I hope you guys can see what I am doing. You guys have seen me do my makeup a million times, but I like to kind of show you guys me doing other people's makeup every now and again. She was willing to let me film it, so of course I took advantage of that. Now I'm going in again with a lighter shade, because I wanted it to pop a little bit more. You know, this is graduation day. We need everybody in the audience to see that highlight. And I'm just going to blend it out, blend. I hope you guys are enjoying my videos. Like I said, we're coming back strong here in October. I do have a Halloween look or two coming soon. If you have missed any of my past Halloween looks, make sure that you guys check those out. And I have a nail series that has started this month, so I hope you guys are enjoying that as well. Her eyes water really bad, so Doing her eye makeup and her lashes is always very interesting. So I like to get her to look up to kind of help me get that under eye area, and to put lashes on her. I like to lift her eyelid a little bit so that I am able to get to her lash line. Now I am setting it with some powder. And this was actually a while ago, so I can't really tell y'all what powder this is that I am using. In my makeup kit, I have a lot of Mary Kay products. Some that are old products, like products that may be discontinued, that the company is not making anymore, but products that I still love. I still have the previous version of foundation in that kit, so eventually I'm going to replace everything with the new 3D foundation. But yeah, I did her hair as well. I believe that's a sew-in. So I set the highlighted area. Now I'm setting the rest of her face, and this beat is coming together. Oh, look at all my hair in the way, y'all. Okay. So now I am blushing, contouring, highlighting, all of that fun stuff. Make sure that you guys go to my Facebook page. The link to it is in the description bar, as well as the link to a lot of my groups. I feel like I have a group for everything. I love to use these kind of fluffy slanted brushes for contouring. It really makes everything easy. Now I'm doing the brows, and y'all can see a little bit through my hair. This video is very old, you guys. I told y'all I had a lot of footage that I just needed to edit. So that is what I am working on, getting out a mix of old footage and new footage. Now I'm carving out that brow and going in with the eyeshadow. For the eye look, we did a kind of basic look. We kept under the brow bone nice and bright, a brown shade in the crease, and a nice little color on the lid. Make sure you guys leave me some comments of some things that y'all want to see. I also will be offering some classes really soon, so let me know some topics that you guys are interested in and some different things that you guys want to learn. Now I'm just cutting the crease, and I'm using a concealer to do this. am popping a shimmery color on top. If I put lashes on her, they could have been some lashes that she brought, but I do have my own lash line. So if you guys need some lashes, I got you. Check my website out to grab some of my lashes. So of course you can see that she loved it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. Remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And I'll see you guys in the next video. It's a wrap.
Sure. It is cute. She did her magic. That's cute. I'm gonna wet this up soon. Yes, I like it. Stay right there.
Okay, Brianna, I see you, girl.
A little something.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.